Imagine waking up and seeing sales, dividends, or rent payments hit your phone overnight. That sounds amazing, but here's the truth. Money while sleeping comes from work or assets built earlier. Passive income is really three steps: setup, automation, and maintenance. There are three main lanes. First, investing. Things like dividend ETFs or high-yield savings accounts are the most hands-off, but they usually need money up front and grow slowly. Second, digital assets. You create something once, like a student planner, workout template, or short online course, then sell it repeatedly. Low startup cost, but higher effort at the beginning. Third, cash flow systems, like rental property, vending machines, or Airbnb. These can earn constantly, but they also create headaches and surprise costs. Most people fail because they expect instant results or try 5 ideas at once. Pick one lane. Spend the next 30 days building one useful asset. That's how people actually make money while sleeping.